In today's digital age, earning rewards and points with just a click has become a popular way for individuals to enjoy various perks and benefits. Online reward programs offer a simple and convenient method for accumulating points or virtual currency that can be exchanged for cash, gift cards, discounts, and other valuable items. This article will explore the world of online reward programs, how they work, and the numerous platforms that provide opportunities to earn points effortlessly with a single click. Whether you're looking to boost your income, save money on your purchases, or simply have some fun, this guide will introduce you to the easy ways to start earning rewards with minimal effort. Online reward programs are designed to incentivize consumer engagement and loyalty. They come in various forms, but the underlying principle is the same. You earn points or rewards for completing specific actions, which can later be redeemed for tangible benefits. These programs have gained popularity across a wide range of industries, including e-commerce, finance, travel, and entertainment. Honey is a browser extension that automatically finds and applies the best coupon codes at checkout while you shop online. It doesn't directly provide points or cashback but helps you save money effortlessly. Earning points with just a click is an accessible and straightforward way to enjoy various rewards and benefits. Online reward programs are designed to make the process easy and enjoyable, allowing you to accumulate points through activities you already engage in, such as shopping, taking surveys, and referring friends. By registering with platforms like Swagbucks, Rakuten, MyPoints, and Inbox Dollars, you can start earning points effortlessly and redeem them for cash, gift cards, or discounts. Whether you're looking to save money or boost your income, these programs offer a user-friendly and convenient solution to meet your goals. So, why wait? Start clicking and earning today. Making money online is a popular goal for many people in today's digital age. There are numerous opportunities to earn money on the internet, ranging from full-time careers to part-time side hustles. In this article, we'll explore various methods to make money online and accumulate points that can be converted into earnings. With the rise of remote work, many companies hire employees and freelancers for remote positions. These jobs can range from customer support to software development, and they often offer competitive salaries. Sites like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs can help you find remote job opportunities that allow you to earn money from the comfort of your own home. Offer your administrative or organizational skills as a virtual assistant. Many entrepreneurs and businesses need help with tasks like email management, scheduling, and data entry. You can find virtual assistant opportunities on platforms like Upwork and Time, etc. Online health and wellness services, such as virtual personal training, nutrition coaching, and mental health counseling, have gained popularity. If you're a certified professional in these fields, you can offer your services to clients online and earn money while helping others improve their well-being. Apps like TaskRabbit and GigWalk allow you to earn money by completing small tasks or gigs in your local area. These can range from delivering groceries to assembling furniture. While each task may not pay much individually, they can add up, and some apps reward you with points that can be converted into cash or gift cards. In our increasingly digital world, opportunities for earning rewards and points with just a click have become more accessible than ever. Online reward programs offer individuals a convenient way to accumulate points or virtual currency that can be later converted into tangible benefits such as cash, gift cards, or discounts. This article delves into the world of online reward programs, how they work, and the various platforms that provide users with the chance to earn points with a simple click. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, enjoy shopping discounts, or simply have fun, this guide will explore how you can start earning rewards effortlessly with a single click. MyPoints is another platform that offers a variety of ways to earn points. You can accumulate points by shopping, taking surveys, watching videos, or even playing games. The points can be redeemed for gift cards or cash via PayPal. Online reward programs are designed to incentivize consumer engagement and loyalty. They come in various forms, but the underlying principle is the same. You earn points or rewards for completing specific actions, which can later be redeemed for tangible benefits. These programs have gained popularity across a wide range of industries, including e-commerce, finance, travel, and entertainment. Making money and earning points with just a click is an enticing proposition for many. Online reward programs have become a popular means of accumulating points or virtual currency, which can subsequently be converted into cash, gift cards, discounts, and various other valuable incentives. This article will delve into the realm of online reward programs, elucidating how they function and illuminating the numerous platforms that offer individuals the opportunity to make money with remarkable ease, all through the simple act of clicking. Whether you're looking to augment your income, enjoy substantial savings, or embark on a fun and lucrative digital journey, this guide will introduce you to the effortless ways to begin making money through points, one click at a time. Rakuten functions as a cashback platform that bestows a percentage of your purchases as cashback, provided you navigate through their links. All you need to do is click through Rakuten before proceeding with your online purchases. The cashback you earn is dispersed quarterly through PayPal or by means of a physical check. The accumulation of a substantial number of points hinges on consistency. Regular interaction with the platform, such as participating in surveys, making purchases, and completing other activities, is pivotal to enhancing your earnings. Clearly articulate what you aim to achieve with your earned points. Whether it's securing additional cash, attaining gift cards to your favorite stores, or securing discounts for future purchases, having well-defined goals can serve as a motivating factor, encouraging you to maximize your earnings. The prospect of making money by earning points with just a click offers a convenient and appealing avenue for accessing a plethora of rewards and benefits. Online reward programs are engineered to simplify and amplify the process, enabling users to accumulate points through activities they're already engaged in, such as shopping, taking surveys, and referring friends. By enrolling in platforms like Swagbucks, Rakuten, MyPoints, and Inbox Dollars, individuals can embark on a journey that seamlessly integrates into their daily routines, culminating in the redeeming of points for cash, gift cards, discounts, and more. Whether you're driven by the desire to economize or enhance your financial prospects, these programs provide a user-friendly and accessible means to realize your aspirations. Why wait? Begin the journey to making money with a single click today. The accumulation of a substantial number of points hinges on consistency. Regular interaction with the platform, such as participating